Hello students, today we will start a new chapter, that is multiplication. Okay, first we will be learning multiplication as repeated addition. If we add a same number again and again, that is known as repeated addition. Here is an example. Example of 5 different color pen. One pen of pink color, one green, one yellow, one blue and one fluorescent. Okay, fluorescent color. So we have 5 different colors of pen. So for repeated addition, we will write one pink color pen, one green color pen, one orange color pen, one blue color pen and one fluorescent color pen. So total we have 5 pens. Yes, for repeated addition we write 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. But now for this we can write how many times 1 occurs, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can write 5 times 1. Okay, we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As there are 5 different colors, there is no group here of the same color. So we can write 5 times 1. Then we can write 5 times. Means we can put multiplication sign 1. 5 multiply sign 1. So 5 multiply sign 1. That is 5 ones are 5. So if you count also, if you add, you will get 5 only. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4 and 1, 4 plus 1 is 5. So if you add, you will get 5, and if you multiply in this way, you will also get 5. Okay. Next example, in one group, this is group 1. In one group there are 2 leaves. In next group, in second group there are 2 leaves. In third group 2 leaves. Fourth and fifth, that means total of 5 groups. Okay, there are 5 groups and in one group there is 2 leaves. That means we will write 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Because why 2? Only 5, because we had 5 groups. Can you see here? So we have 5 groups. That's why we will be writing 5 times. And which number? In one group, how many leaves were there? There were only 2. That's why we will write 5 times 2. Okay, so when we will put multiplication sign, we will be writing 5 multiply 2. So 5 multiply 2 is 10. If you don't want to multiply it, if you count, still you will get 10. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So can you see in this 5 groups of 2 leaves in one group, in each group there are 2 leaves, so there are 5 groups, so it makes total of 10. Now let's take another example of beans. Now can you see there are 1 group, 2 group and 3 group. So there are 3 group of beans, and in 1 group how many beans? There are 3 beans. That is 3, second group 3 and third group 3. 3 that means plus 3 plus 3. So if 3 plus 3 plus 3 is given, and then you will write 3 times, that is 1 group, 2 group and 3 group. There are 3 groups, that's why we will write 3 times, and in 1 group how many beans? There were 3 beans, so we will write 3. That means 3 multiply 3 equals to 9. Now let's check whether we get 9 or not. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 9. Total of 9 beans are given here. Now let's take one more example. Example of a ladyfinger. I hope you like it. Now we can see there are 1 group and this is second group, that is 2 groups. 2 groups are given here, and in 1 group how many ladyfingers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here it's given 5. That means 5 ladyfingers and in 2 group. So we can write 5 plus 5. We can write it as 5 plus 5. That is how many groups? There are 2 groups. That means you will be writing 2 times. And in 1 group how many ladyfingers? That is 5. So you will be writing 5. Now 2 multiply 5. So 2 multiply 5 will be 10. Now if you want to add, you can add it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means total of 10 ladyfingers. Now let's take one more example. Example of tomatoes. Okay, there are 4 groups. As we can see, there are 4 groups of tomatoes, and in 1 group there are 4. That means four plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. That means when we write in multiplication way, for repeated addition, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, we will write 4 groups. Yes, 4 groups, that is 4 times, and in 1 group how many? There are 4 tomatoes. So we will write 4 times 4 equals to 4 multiply 4. So 4 multiply 4 is 16. Let's check the example by adding now. Let's add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That means when we add 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, we get total of 16. So if we do it in multiplication way, it is much more easier to find out the product. Okay, so the numbers when we multiply, okay, the answers after multiplication is called the product. Just like product means the answers, the numbers which we multiply. Okay, this, after multiplying this, what answer we get, that is known as product. Okay, that is known as product. That is, this number 4 into 4 we multiplied and we got the number 16. That means 16 is a product. Okay, P-R-O-D-U-C-T, product. Okay, and the numbers which we multiply, that is just example, this 4, this 4, these are known as factors. Okay, the numbers which we multiply, that numbers are known as factors, and after multiplying, what answer you get, that is known as product. Let's take example of 2 and 5. So 2 multiply 5 equals to 10. That means this 2, that means 2 and 5. 2 and 5 is a factor. F-A-C-T-O-R-S, factors. Okay, and the numbers, after multiplying the number, what we get, the answer we get is known as product. P-R-O-D-U-C-T, product. I hope you understood. Can you help me to find out the multiplication of this? How many groups of mangoes are here? There are 2 groups, 1 and 2. In one group, how many mangoes are given? There are 3. That means 2 times 3. Correct? Because there are 2 groups and in one group there are 3. That means you will be writing 2 times 3. And 2 times 3 equals to 6. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means total of 6. I hope you understood the chapter very well.